Are you tired of your website failing to convert visitors into loyal customers? Struggling to connect with your audience? Every word on your website matters, it's your brand's digital storefront. Well-crafted website content guides visitors toward action. Our ultimate guide empowers you to create compelling website copy that resonates with your target audience. Identify your ideal customer with user personas. Understand their needs, motivations and fears. Craft a unique value proposition, UVP, that clearly differentiates you from competitors. A strong UVP assures visitors that you understand and solve their problems. Highlighting key benefits ensures they know what's in it for them. With our structured approach, your homepage will make a powerful first impression. Optimize layout for clarity, conversions, and user experience. Imagine how much easier it is to create engaging content when you know precisely who you're writing for. Regulatory revisions and costly mistakes will fade into history. By mastering these strategies, you're not just writing content, you're crafting experiences that matter. Let Page Cloud's no-code website builder transform your vision into reality. Ready to elevate your website content? Sign up for our mini course today.